Hey guys, today I'll be replacing the diverter valve on my 2015 Kia Optima SXL Turbo. Alright, so luckily the diverter valve is located right in the front here. What we'll have to do is pull this hose clamp back, slide this little line out of place, and then take these three 10mm bolts off, and then we can pull the unit out. So I'll start by using some needle nose pliers to slide this hose clamp back. Now we can pull the hose out of place. And then I'm going to be using this 1/4-inch ratchet with a short 10mm socket. I like to break them loose and take them off evenly. And now it should be free. So we can actually pull this rubber assembly and spring out in one piece. And while inspecting the rubber boot, I found that there are a couple small holes in it. You can see one right there, another one right there, and then possibly the start of one. Alright, we have the new unit here. We can just hold it in place and finger tighten these bolts. And then we'll make sure that everything's tight. Good. And last, we put the hose back in place. And then put the clamp back in. And that's it. I hope this video was informative and helped you out. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.